Let's move on to the fourth feature, which is modern approvals in project operations. Again, a very interesting feature, and I have been harassed in my life a couple of months back. For this, I'll give you a short example. What used to happen was when I was working as a project manager, every Friday I used to have my billing days, and then I used to approve more than 300, 350 time entries by the users. So it was a burden for me where approval was not the burden, but when you approve it, out of 300, I was sure almost 40 to 50% of the time entries would not get approved and still stay back in the approval screen even after selecting them and approving them. So I used to come back, look at how many have been approved, reselect them, click on approve. Even after doing that for the second time, third time, fourth time, until all the time entries are flushed out, I used to keep on coming back and approving them back and forth. Project operations now has got a boon in the name of modern approvals, where now you can actually do this in one shot by the help of modern approvals. It reduces your burden to recheck what is approved and what is not. Again, guys, remember, once it is enabled on any particular environment, you cannot disable it. And how do you track how many time entries, whether time entries that you've selected in one shot have been approved or not, is via the approval sets. Let's look at the demo of how to do that. Again, I'll go back to my environment here. And first, I would like to show you how to enable that. So again, I'll take help of my previous environment that I took help of. In the parameters, again, in the feature control, you can see enable modern approvals. So once you enable that, how it looks like is if you go back in the settings here in this environment, it enables this modern approvals field here, and it asks you to enter a threshold value. So the threshold means when the recommended threshold by Microsoft is 5, meaning out of, let's say, 300 as an example, the first 5 time entries would be approved in the synchronous manner, and the remaining 295 would go in the asynchronous manner, which used to be the case previously. Even then, all these 300 time entries would go together, club themselves, and get into an approval set. And from there, we can monitor what is the status. If something is failing or everything is getting approved, we can check from the approval sets. So now let's look at it as to how this works. So if I go onto my time entries, approvals tab, I have done a lot of time entries before we started this. So I have some time entries that I want to approve. So if I go on that approvals tab, I can see so many time entries that are yet to be approved. So if I go on to grouping and check which project, it's mixed T&M project. So what I'll do is I'll select all of them. Come on. Refresh it. I want to see that approval button on the top. Okay. Yeah. So now I will click on the approve button. Super. Now, if you read this message, the selected records have been queued. The system will continue processing your selected records for action. Earlier, you had to wait for some time, come back after 10-15 minutes, refresh, and then there used to be some time entries still remaining here. But now if I go onto my project, Mixed T&M, that was a project where we had time entries on. And if you go onto your related approval sets, you will see one approval set, which is in the active approval sets. And if I open that, you can see a lot of time entries which are submitted and getting approved. So if I refresh, it takes some time behind the scenes to work upon them and get them approved. You can be patient and check on the logs. Nothing is failed or success at the moment, but they will just get approved as they are now queued up. So once they are approved, what happens is from the active approval set, they will move into the inactive approval sets. And then once they are in the inactive approval sets, you are sure that they have been approved, or in worst case, they are failed. So you can click on the inactive approval set, go to the logs and check which time entries have been failed. So you can take appropriate actions. I would wish to show you, but not sure how much time it will take. But this is how the approval set works, and 99%, 99.9% of the time, I'm sure they all work very well. And you can see all of them in the inactive state with success. So yeah. Let's go in and again check. Okay. Target status you can see is approved. So that's what we would wish to see, all of them. Nevertheless, so this is approval set and how to monitor them.